Catherine with Rapid Roofing and Repairs, and I'm here with one of our clients from last summer, Gulumser and Doug, and we're so happy that you're our clients. And if you could tell us a little bit about your experience and why you chose us. And
Yeah, well, Rapid Roofing's been great. We bought the house in 2019, and right away we were a little concerned about the roof because it had the older shingle roof, and the ends were curled up on the shingles, a bit of moss growing under some of them. So we thought, okay, probably gonna have to do something here. And we about a year later we decided to renovate. So we've done it top to bottom, and the first thing we did was get the roof replaced. So we kind of shopped around. We had a few quotes come in. Rapid Roofing came in with the best deal. They were highly rated on Uncle Google. So we decided to go with them, and just bang, they had an army of people here, and it was bap, 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 done. New sunroof, new shingles. It looked sharp. They cleaned up after they left.
Oh, that was the most important part.
Oh, yeah. So it was really pretty painless on our part. We're really happy. We haven't had any leaks or any callbacks or anything like that. Everything looks straight and sharp, and they did a real nice job. I'd recommend them for sure.
thank you.